Hello everyone, and welcome to my video series about PIC microcontrollers and programming them using C language. In today's episode we will install very helpful free development softwares from Microchip that will help us along our journey. So let's go to our browser. In here let's go to Microchip website.com. So this is the official Microchip website. Under Tools and Software we can find MPLAB X IDE. This is the software that we're interested in, so you can read about MPLAB X IDE. I'm just going to scroll down to the downloads section, which is like about there, downloads. So if you're using Windows, then you need to download this file. Just click there and it will download it. It's quite a big file, so it will take a moment. So that's that one, and we need also a compiler, which is going to be our MPLAB XC. There we go, click on that. So again, you can read about MPLAB XC compilers. I'm just going to scroll down to the downloads section, and there it is, compiler download. So what you need to download is the latest XC8 compiler. We're using PIC microcontrollers, 8-bit PIC microcontrollers, so we're interested in XC8 compiler. Once you click on that and download the compiler, we can go ahead and install the softwares. I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to my downloads folder. There we go. So we've got the MPLAB X and XC8. There we go, that's 1.2 gigabytes, so quite a chunky file. So double click on that one, and there we go. Yes, I'm happy to be installed. MPLAB X. Setup wizard, so there's nothing really complicated in this one. I'm just going to accept the agreement. Installation directory, so I'm going for a D. No proxy, yeah, okay. So I just untick those. I don't know, this is not like just me. Okay, so I click next. Now in here, these are the files that are gonna be installed. There's a section, so it's best to leave them on. So that's what I do. Unless really, if you want, you can untick those two, because we're going to be using the 8-bit microcontroller units. But I've got a space. Why not? There we go. Next and next. So now this is installing. And we're gonna just have to wait for this to finish. Okay, so the installation process is gonna take a few minutes, but after that you're gonna see this message. So it's telling us the XC compilers are not installed with the IDE. I'm gonna untick that because we got the installation file ready there. We're gonna do that in a moment. Simplify by develop, blah blah blah. No, we don't need that one at the moment. So I'm just gonna untick that one. That's 32-bit projects. And again, simplify add 16 32-bit projects development by download the MPLAB code configurator. At the moment, we're gonna be using just a normal way programming. We're not gonna be using the MC code configurator. So I'm just gonna untick that one. I'm gonna click OK. So now we can install our MPLAB XC8 compiler. So I'm just going to double click on that. I'm going to allow it to install. There we go. Compiler. And this is again very easy. Just next, accept, next. So this is a free version. I'm just using it as my one workstation there. Okay, I'm going to go for a D drive. Next. So I'm gonna leave that one yes. Exit the path and variable. No, leave it like that. Setup is ready to begin installation. Click next. Okay, so again, just wait a moment for it to finish, although it's going to be much quicker than MPLAB itself. Okay, so once the installation of the XC8 compiler finished, we get to see the message, and we're just gonna click next, and it's finished. Done. So after installing both those files, what we're gonna see is MPLAB X IDE. So this is the file that we're gonna be using. This is the shortcut. If you double click on it, you're gonna find the software itself. There we go. So this is the MPLAB that we're going to be using. That's our window for our projects that we're going to be creating in the next videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I welcome you to the next videos of the series. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.